Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on a Telegram to join on a group chat. So all you need to do guys is just to go to App Store and download this application that I'm going to show you. This is QR code and barcode scanner. So what to do? So all you need to do is just to click the application and make sure that you will scan the right QR code so that you can join that Telegram group chat. We have also another option here that all you need to do is just to click on this gallery, and if you have a QR code here, then you can simply just click it and you will automatically be routed to the group chat. And lastly, you need to make sure that you have installed Telegram on the app. So yeah, so that's gonna be it. That's as easy as that. All you need to do is just to download this QR and barcode scanner, and you will automatically be routed to the group chat using your Telegram account.